take a look at this. It is just giving, okay?
Glamorous penny pincher. Glamorous penny pincher. Glamorous penny pincher.
Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with a haul featuring a lot of glassware, dishes, beautiful items, you name it. So if this is something you want to see, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. This is a collective haul, different times, different places, but wanted to show you nonetheless. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this absolutely beautiful plate charger that I picked up maybe a month or so ago. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love this. I love the scalloped edges, the little ridge that goes along the sides. This was originally $3.29 and I believe it was on sale for 40% off. But super gorge. Absolutely love the scalloped edges. I have an amazing tablescape that I'm going to bring you guys, and this will be a part of it. One of the reasons why I like it also, it kind of reminds me of milk glass. Super cute. It is hard plastic, but once I start to layer, it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So again, Hobby Lobby guys, for this beautiful charger. I picked up 6 of them when I was there just to complete my set for my tablescape. Now these next set of items that I'm showing you are from Ross. So starting with this beautiful 4-pack of chargers. This I was supposed to use for Easter, but yeah, I didn't do an Easter tablescape, but I will definitely do something else with it. Beautiful pastel pink, and I like that the pattern that it has here kind of reminds me of the bunny ears a little bit. So set of 4, and these again are from Ross, and they were $7.99. Not bad. I may use them outdoor for the summer and do something a little pastel-y, if you will, back there, and I'll come and show you what that looks like. All right, the next item I got from Ross is this absolutely beautiful dinner plate. Super gorge. It was in a set, and I'll show you the other pieces. The plates were $4.99. Super gorge. I'll sit that here. And then I also got the salad plate that goes with it. Salad plate. The salad plates were $3.99. So the dinner plate was $4.99. The salad plate $3.99. And then I also got the matching soup bowl. And the soup bowl was also $3.99. Super gorge stuff. Absolutely gorge. Look at Ross. Y'all better come with it, Ross. Looking super gorge. Now these beauties were all flying off the shelves at Ross. I literally had to go to about 3 or 4 different Ross to pick up the different pieces, and I still didn't get a whole set. So with that, I had to kind of pivot and pick up some other pieces that I'm going to show you next. So in keeping in line with the scalloped edges, I, like I said, had to pivot and picked up these other plates, a couple of them with the scalloped edges, very similar to the gold one here. And I'll be doing some mixing and matching on my tablescape, guys. So I'm probably gonna do something like this. This plate, it has a, you know, a little bit of speckles and stuff on this inside of it, which is perfectly fine. These were $3.99, and I'm going to do some mixing and matching. So I'll probably do the plate like this, then I'll probably go in with the gold salad plate, and then I found these also at Ross that could complement the set. So I'm going to be doing, like I said, a lot of mixing and matching. These ones are $3.99. I could go like this to make a set. Or I also got another kind of salad bowl from Ross in the same design as this one, so I could even do that as well if I wanted to. And just get my good layering on and make my tablescape absolutely beautiful. But I will show you, like I said. So again, this one was $3.99 for the little soup bowl, and the bigger salad bowl was $3.99 as well. So Ross came through with these beauties at a very, very low cost. So I can't even complain. Like I said, I went to a few different Rosses to find them, but I am happy that I got the pieces that I did. All right, this next set that I'm going to show you is a thrifted set. And look how ironic this is. This was thrifted by my aunt in Florida, right? She always looks out for these items and pick them up for me. And it has the same little scalloped edge thing going on with the gold piping. This is the dinner plate. Super, super gorge. Then there is a salad plate that goes with it. Then there's this other salad or soup bowl that goes with it, which is super gorge. Then it comes with like a little saucer to put the teacup in. Super cute. The whole thing, like I have over 20 pieces of these. She definitely scored. I don't even know how much she paid for it, but I know she thrifted them and I absolutely love them. Then it comes with this beautiful, dainty little teacup. Isn't that gorge? So then I would match that with this. Super gorge. Take a look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. So I'm loving this set. And then it comes with another, like a coffee mug with two handles, baby. Come on. Very vintage, very elegant, very classy. Super, super gorgeous, this set. Like I said, I don't know how much she paid for it. She didn't disclose that with me. But what I did was I Googled it. I have over 20 pieces. So I think what I'm going to do, I've thought about it, and I'm going to start to build like a dishware collection based on a lot of the items that I have thrifted, especially that holds some value. I'm definitely going to start building a collection that I can, keep as an heirloom and leave it to my children. And then at that point, they can decide what they want to do with it. But these are absolutely beautiful and they are valuable. And I want to collect and maintain them beautifully. Okay, the next thing that I have to show you is this gorgeous, gorgeous Christmas vintage plate. Yeah, I know it's not Christmas, but when I see these things, I am going to pick them up. This is a dinner plate. I got this from Goodwill last week, and they were 69 cents a piece. I have 6 of the dinner plates. Then I have the salad plates. 5 of these, the salad plates, they were missing one. 69 cents for each piece. And then I got the little, like a saucer for the teacup. I didn't get any teacup. This is just strictly plates. It's like a vintage Christmas plate set. Super gorgeous, guys. I just love the details with Santa, the sleigh. Feels very nostalgic. Coming in with the red and the greens. And I will do a beautiful nostalgic Christmas tablescape at Christmas time. Yes, I know it's a ways away, but like I said, I wasn't going to leave it. So I was looking at it at Goodwill. I looked. People were going by it. I picked it up, put it on my cart. And then when I looked it up, did some research, the price for it, the 18 pieces, like I said, I have 17 because one of this piece is missing. But the set of 18 is on Amazon, and I'll try to take a picture of it and link it in the video. So when you go in and you see things that you like or you think might have that little vintage feel and it's not Christmas, I got this actually in April. Yeah, and it's a Christmas set. This will definitely be a part of my dishware collection. So I'm collecting, y'all. And yeah, I'm collecting items that have some kind of value to them. That way, if I want to, I could sell it, Etsy, eBay, or I could keep it, like I said, and just pass it down to my kids, and then they can do what they want to do with it once I go home to glory. All right, guys, so the next thing I want to show you are my glasses and cups and stuff that I picked up. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love these glasses. I got these from Amazon. It was in a set of 4 and it does come with the straws. I will link it in my description box for you, so make sure you go down there to check it out if you're interested in these. I can't remember. I think they might be $16, but like I said, I will link it for you. But my daughters love to make their own drinks, like their own matchas and their own chai lattes and stuff. And they look absolutely amazing in these glasses with the straws. So I picked this up. It comes in a set of 4. And again, these came from Amazon. The next item I have for you is this super cute set. Take a look at that. It has the little teacup with the handle is the wing of a butterfly, and then you have the butterfly details on the saucer part of it. Super cute. I got these guys in Ross and I paid $3.99. Yes, these were $3.99 in Ross. Super cute. Can you imagine me having a little bit of coffee or some kind of mocha drink or something in this? It's just super cute and I just absolutely adore it. I got 2 sets of these at $3.99 a piece, or $3.99 per set from Ross. All right, we're almost at the end, but this is the last drinkware I have for you. Take a look at this. It's 3 pieces. You sit the little, I call it a cradle. You sit the little cradle down, the base of it, and you just sit your glass on top with whatever drink you're having, and it comes with the straw. These are super, super cute. Again, I got these for our little fancy drinks that my daughters make all the time. As well, my older daughter, Jada, she just wrote an ebook about juicing. And sometimes when she does her pictures, I want to make sure that she has, you know, these cute little glasses. Besides, I love them myself and I drink from them. These actually came from Shein. Yes, you heard me correctly, Shein. I think it was like $6. The glass is pretty light, so you got to be careful with it. But aesthetically, they are just amazing. It is just giving. Okay, love that. And I got 4 of these. So this is what it looks like after I take it out of the package, and it comes packaged pretty securely. Let me move this out the way. It comes with the styrofoam, so the glass itself is in the styrofoam, the cradle is here, and then the straw is wrapped in that part as well. But I went on Shein just fooling around, nothing serious, and saw these. I was like, I am definitely getting these. So when we put our little juices and stuff in here, it's super cute. All right, so if any of you are interested in juicing for a healthier lifestyle or to lose weight, I will link Jada's ebook in the description box, so you can go ahead and get you a copy of her juicing recipes, and she does that pretty often and very well, so you can be on your health journey as well as we are. And I'll talk about the health journey that I'm on in another video, guys. I have to update you on what's going on with that. The last thing I want to share, guys, is this beautiful, beautiful piece. Let me pull it out of the package. Super cute, isn't it? What these are curtain ties with the pearls. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love this. And this, guys, I picked it up at Goodwill for $7.99 at Goodwill for the pair. If I can find a price for it, I will link it for you below, or I'll show it to you. But these are curtain ties. I'm not going to use it as curtain ties though. I think I'm going to use it as something else, maybe to help decorate my table. I know I have use for it. I just have to figure out how. But this is absolutely gorgeous, super cute. And then if I also want to use it on my curtains, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But I absolutely love these. So when you go to your Goodwills, guys, look around, search around. I found this actually in a bin that was on the floor with some just miscellaneous items in it, and I got down there and started looking through it and found these. But super cute. They are brand new, and I just love the pearl detail. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me and checking out these beautiful pieces that I have picked up. Leave me a comment below and let me know which of these items is your favorite. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. Love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.